Same-sex marriage is not recognized in Japan. As of 1 March 2021, 75 municipalities and 3 prefectures issue same-sex partnership certificates which provide some benefits but do not offer any legal recognition. Most polls conducted since 2013 have found that a majority of Japanese people support the legalization of same-sex marriage or partnerships, and a 2018 poll found it supported by an overwhelming majority of those under age 60. In March 2021, a district court in Sapporo ruled that the 1984 law banning same-sex marriage is unconstitutional. On April 1, 2015, Shibuya in central Tokyo announced it would offer same-sex couples special partnership certificates. While these licenses are not legally recognized as marriage certificates, they are still a useful tool in civil matters such as hospital visitation rights and housing. The Shibuya City Office began accepting applications on 28 October 2015. In response to this action by the Shibuya City Office, the Special Committee to Protect Family Ties of the federal ruling Liberal Democratic Party was formed in March 2015 to discuss the matter. An officer from the Ministry of Justice who was invited to comment stated that the action by Shibuya is legal because the certificate issued is not a marriage certificate and the current Japanese legal code does not prohibit the partnership of same-sex couples. In July 2015, Tokyo's Setagaya Ward announced it would be joining Shibuya in issuing partnership certificates from 5 November of the same year. In November 2015, the special city of Takarazuka announced it would issue partnership certificates to same-sex couples beginning on 1 June 2016. In December 2015, the city of Iga in Mie Prefecture made a similar announcement, with certificates starting on 1 April 2016. On the 22nd of February 2016, Naha, the capital of Okinawa Prefecture, announced it would begin issuing partnership certificates to same-sex couples on 8 July 2016. In April 2016, an LGBT rights group began a campaign for the official recognition of same-sex couples in Sapporo, the capital of Hokkaido Prefecture. The group took its petition to the Sapporo city government in June 2016. In December 2016, officials announced that Sapporo planned to draw up guidelines by March 2017. In March, the city government announced that partnership certificates would be issued to couples beginning on 1 June 2017. While the certificates hold no legal meaning, some insurance companies use them to allow same-sex partners to be added as beneficiaries. According to the city, about 1,500 people expressed opinions welcoming the program. While some opposed it, Sapporo became the first designated city in Japan to establish a partnership system. On 14 February 2018, the Fukuoka City Office announced plans to start issuing partnership certificates to same-sex and different-sex couples from 2 April 2018. Osaka followed suit on 9 July 2018, and Chiba on 29 January 2019. Tokyo's Nakano Ward began offering partnership certificates in August 2018. Couples can receive notarized documentation recognizing a delegation agreement for medical treatment and nursing care, property management and other areas in which married couples share responsibility. The town of Oizumi in Gunma Prefecture began issuing partnership certificates on 1 January 2019. On 1 April 2019, the municipalities of Edagawa, Fuchu, Hirakata, Kumamoto, Odawara, Sakai, Soja, Toshima, and Yokosuka established a same-sex partnership system. The city of Hida also planned to start issuing certificates that same day. However, this was postponed to an unspecified date. Kanuma and Miyazaki began issuing partnership certificates on 3 June and 10 June 2019, respectively, while Kitakyushu began doing so on 1 July, Nishio on 1 September, Nagasaki on 2 September, Sanda on 11 October, Katano on 22 November, Yokohama on 2 December, and Daito and Kamakura on 4 December 2019. On 1 January 2020, Mitoyo began issuing partnership certificates, followed by Amagasaki on 6 January. On 1 April 2020, a total of 13 municipalities throughout Japan began issuing partnership certificates to same-sex couples. These are the designated cities of Hamamatsu, Niigata, Sagamihara, and Saitama, as well as the cities of Koga, Nara, Takamatsu, Tokushima, Yamato-Koriyama, and Zushi, and the town of Kijo. Two special wards of Tokyo, namely Minato and Bunkyo, also started issuing certificates. Kawagoe and Toyoke followed suit on 1 May. Itami on 15 May. Ashiya on 17 May. Kawasaki, Okayama, Hayama, Tondabayashi, and Inabe on 1 July. Kawanishi on 1 August. And Kaizuka on 1 September 2020. Kyoto began issuing partnership certificates on 1 September 2020. To be eligible for the scheme, both partners must be legal adults. One or both must be residents of the city of Kyoto. And neither can be married nor in a partnership with another individual. Although the oath does not provide any legal benefits, it does make the couples eligible for living in city-managed housing. And